Yes, this is part 3. If you have watched part 1 and part 2, thank you for your patience. Welcome back. We are ready for part 3. In part 3 of this video series, we're going to talk about how to now plug everything that we've just went over, which are products and collections. How do we plug all this into the main menu navigation system? If you guys are new to this channel, you already know what to do. Hit a like, subscribe, share your comments. Tell me how's your day going today. Tell me if you're frustrated, whatever. This video is to help you out, to make your life easier so you can make money. We are in the year 2020. I've done this video before and this video has gained so much traction, and it's because of you guys. I want to make sure that I've updated this video so that you guys can gain the latest and greatest using the latest version of Shopify. Let's get right to it. So, recap. We have some products. Yeah, let me leave out of that page. We have some products. We have some collections. Okay. Now, let's go into the front end of the website and change all of this stuff because we want to make it more presentable. Okay. We're going to go right here towards the left where it says online store. And on online store, we see some sub menus. We see blogs, pages, navigations, etc. We're going to click on where it says navigation. Now, navigation, we have 2 of them that have strong emphasis: foot menu and main menu. Let's talk about it. Main menu is this stuff right here. These guys are main menus. These guys are footer menus. Okay. So we want to dive into the main menu and get things programmed. All right. We're in the year 2020. No one clicks on home. I'm sorry. That home button, that's from Web 1.0. Everybody who shops online knows that by clicking on the logo takes you home. But if you want to add home just to add home, hey, go home, right? Add home, leave it there. But me, I get that out of here. Okay, so catalog, I don't want to confuse you. I'm gonna get that out of here too. Okay, we're gonna start fresh, super clean. Okay, and a suggestion to the first main menu, I click on that and I don't type in right away the name, as impulsive and intriguing as that may look. Instead, I am going to click on the box that's called the link. All right. Remember, none of this stuff, guys, will make sense if you didn't do my part 1, part 2. So if you're starting here from the jump, something's going to go wrong. I'm warning you right now. Okay. So please make sure you watch part 1, part 2. Make sure you follow those steps so that this can make sense and this doesn't mess up for you. Okay. All right. So I clicked on this dialogue. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to say, hey, I want this to connect to a collection that I have made previously in my part 2 video. I'm going to click on this right here. And I want to make the drop down that's called, wait, what am I talking about? Let's back up, folks. Okay, this one right here, we're going to say shop. I'm super sorry. We need to create the highest menu. And from here, we're going to say shop. And then from here, link. We're just going to add a hashtag sign for now. All right. Boom. There. Shop is there. Let's save because I always like to save. Okay. So let's go ahead into the website. We only have shop. If I click on it, it goes nowhere. Let's go ahead and create a sub menu. Sub menu is called, well, rather than a sub menu, let's just create all of the rest of the higher tier menus. So the next higher tier menu right here is new arrivals. I'm going to go here, click on collections, click on new arrivals. Notice how new arrivals automatically typed it in for me. That's what I was trying to tell you, not to fill this out first right away. If you have a collection, you click on link, you search for the collection. Okay. And then that's how you do it. Click on that. Let's go. What is the next one up? The next one up is about us, but we haven't created an about us page yet. So we're just going to type it in right there and press the hashtag. We're going to press add. We're going to create another one. It's called contact us. Okay, contact us, very simple. We're going to create another hashtag temporarily because in another video, I'll show you how to create that other page. And then finally, I think this is good for now. Let's go ahead and press save. While pressing save, I'm going to go to the front end. I always have a tab open for the front end. I'm going to press refresh so that I could see this. Boom, I have my highest level menus. They're non-clickable. If I click on it, it takes me nowhere. We are now going to create a sub menu. Sub menu is a drop down that comes underneath shop based on the collections that we have just created. I'm going to click on this again where it says add menu item. On add menu item, I'm going to click on link. and then I'm gonna say collections. Which one? The one called dress. Add. The problem is that it's gonna save it right underneath where it says contact us. We don't want that. We're gonna go over here to these freckles next to the left of dress, and you see the little Mickey Mouse hands. Yes, I'm a dad. So I'm gonna click, hold, drag up, and pay attention to that bubble on the left. That bubble is the positioning. I'm gonna go right here and shift it a little bit to the right. Notice this shift indentation. That's what I'm doing, and letting it go. It falls indexed underneath dress. Press save menu. And by that, I'm gonna go ahead and press refresh over here. And now I have a drop down, folks, that when I click on dress, boom, I am there. What you guys have learned on this video is how to create the main menu navigation system, how to create main menu navigation titles, how to create the shop dropdown, how to create a submenu, and how to link that into the collections page. All right, guys, that is my part 3. I have more to come. In the next part, I'm chopping these up because I want them to be very focused on what your troubles are, okay? In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video to talk about pages. It's very, very simple, but it talks about the about us. It talks about the contact us, okay? And then I'll also, in the future videos to come, I am going to make a video that's related to the cleanup of AliExpress, okay? Thank you so much, guys. If you appreciate this video, hit up with a like, hit up with a comment, subscribe. Let me be your friend, okay? And definitely, we're going to get this looking better because we also have to talk about the theme. We don't want to leave this looking like Chinatown, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.